Applying a bandage, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a very practical phrase, apply a bandage. Whether you're dealing with a minor cut or scrape, or just want to understand how this phrase is used in everyday English, you're in the right place. Let's get started. The phrase, apply a bandage, involves two key components, apply and bandage. To apply, in this context, means to place or put on something onto something else. A bandage is a piece of material used to support a part of the body, cover wounds, or stop bleeding. So, when combined, apply a bandage literally means to place a bandage over a wound or injury. It's important to know when applying a bandage is necessary. Typically, you apply a bandage to cover a wound, protecting it from infection, to stop bleeding by applying pressure, to support an injured part of the body, like a sprain. Knowing when and how to apply a bandage is a basic first aid skill that everyone should have. Applying a bandage can be broken down into a few simple steps. 1. Clean the wound with water to remove any dirt or debris. 2. Dry the area gently to prepare for the bandage. 3. Take the bandage and remove any packaging. 4. Place the sterile part of the bandage directly over the wound. 5. Wrap the rest of the bandage around the affected area securely but not too tightly. 6. Secure the end of the bandage with a clip or adhesive part of the bandage. Remember, the goal is to cover the wound adequately, provide support if needed, and ensure that the bandage is snug but not causing discomfort. Here are a few tips to ensure you're applying a bandage effectively. Always wash your hands before handling a wound or a bandage. Use a bandage that is appropriate for the size of the wound. Check the circulation below the bandage after application. If the area becomes blue or cold, the bandage might be too tight. Change the bandage daily or whenever it becomes wet or dirty. We hope this guide on how to apply a bandage has been helpful. Remember, applying a bandage is a simple yet crucial skill that can make a big difference in caring for minor injuries. Practice these steps, and you'll be prepared to handle small wounds safely and effectively. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful English language tips and guides. Stay safe, and see you in the next video.